how to allow or don't allow call logs permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down and scroll down and click on more privacy settings. So after click on more privacy settings, click on permission manager. So after click on permission manager, so click on call logos. So after click on call logos, so scroll down. So if you want to allow or don't allow, for example, click on voice recorder. So if you want to allow call logos, so click on allow, you will see voice recorder app is allow. So if you want to don't allow, so click on don't allow, you will see voice recorder app is don't allow. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or don't allow call logos permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.